Every professional vocal you've ever loved runs through basically the same 4 plugins, in the same order. Not 20, 4. Today I'm giving you the exact chain and the exact starting settings, so you can paste it onto your next vocal and instantly sound more finished. Let's build it. Before the plugins, one rule: order is everything. Each plugin cleans up the signal for the next one. The chain is always EQ, compression, de-essing, then reverb. Clean it, control it, tame it, then place it in space. First, a cleanup EQ. The goal isn't to make it pretty, it's to remove what's ugly. High pass everything below about 80 Hz to kill rumble. Find the boxy, muddy frequency, usually between 200 and 500 Hz, and gently pull it down. Cuts, not boosts. You're clearing space. Second, compression. To control the distance between the loudest and quietest words so the vocal sits steady. Start with a ratio around 3:1, a medium attack so the consonants still punch, and a release that breathes with the song. Aim for a few dB of gain reduction. You want control, not crush. Third, de-esser, to tame harsh S and T sounds without dulling the whole vocal. Target the sibilance region, usually 5 to 8K, and pull those peaks down just a couple dB. This is the step that separates amateur from pro, and almost nobody talks about it. Fourth, reverb and a touch of delay, to place the vocal in a space, instead of leaving it dry. Use a short plate or room reverb on ascend. Keep it low so you feel it more than hear it. And high pass your reverb so it doesn't add mud back into the low end you just cleaned. That's the chain. Clean it with EQ, control it with compression, tame it with a de-esser, place it with reverb. The same 4 moves on a bedroom demo and a #1 record. The plugins matter far less than the order and the decisions. If this gave you a chain you can actually use, subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down compression until it finally clicks. That's the sauce.